Hey guys, Eric here again. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and content just like this. Today we're going to show you how to get rid of the page name if you're using the Elementor page builder, but specifically the header or footer. In this case, we're working with the header at this point here, and we want to get rid of the page name here. So what we're going to do is just head over to Settings and then Hide Title. Now that page name is gone. Let's save that. And that's all you need to do to get rid of that page name, because it will keep showing up otherwise. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you real soon.